Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at Group Time, at Group Time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at Group Time, at Group Time.
Hello, kindergarten. I have a new book for us today. It's called Bush Party, and a fun thing about this book is that it's from Australia. So a lot of the animals that you'll see in here, we don't have here in Minnesota. So it'll be kind of fun to see what different animals there are. So let's get started. Gecko loved his corner of the bush. It was his garden. One day, he decided to have a party in his garden. Then all his friends could enjoy it too. So this is Gecko. So he sent out special invitations. All the bush creatures were so excited. Some chattered for hours about the hats they would wear. Others wondered what all the fuss was about. On the day, guests looked splendid in their fine spring hats. Most had been specially made for the occasion. There were flowers and ribbons, caps and parasols, handbags and jewelry. Butterfly arrived, late of course, but everyone agreed she looked magnificent. The food was delicious. There was pavlova, fairy bread, lamingtons, trifle, and of course, chocolate crackers. Everyone had plenty to eat. Some ate a little too much. The bush rang with laughter at Gala's magic tricks. But all was hushed when the acrobats balanced expertly. When Gecko chose the most beautiful hat, there was resounding applause. The winner nervously accepted her prize. All too soon it was time to go, and Gecko reluctantly said goodbye. That evening, the bush filled with the sunset calls of the animals, praising Gecko and his beautiful garden. And there's Gecko. I hope you enjoyed the book. Here, there's the cover. Do you see any animals that you like or haven't seen here before? Which one looks like your favorite? I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Make those as
Today, I feel happy, sad, tired, angry.
Meow, 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 meow. Kids these days are addicted to screen time. But
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Today is Thursday.
Sing a song, we'll all sing along with the Black Kids Club.
Oh, hi! You're just in time to help us celebrate the new year.
It's time to say goodbye to December.
And hello to January and a brand new year. Do you know how many months are in a year? That's right! 12!
Look at the time.
It's almost midnight.
12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me. This year-long song, say their names, then count along. 12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me. This year-long song, say their names, then count along.
January is number 1.
February is number 2.
March is number 3. Say the months and count with me.
April is number 4. May is number 5.
June is number 6. Half the months are in the mix.
12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me. This year-long song, say their names and count along. 12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me. This year-long song, say their names and count along.
July is number 7.
August is number 8.
September is number 9. Way to go, you're doing fine.
October is number 10.
November is 11. December is number 12. We sang the months all by ourselves.
12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me. This year-long song, say their names and count along. 12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me. This year-long song, say their names and count along. The 12 months, the 12 months, the 12 months, the 12 months.
4, 3.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Thank you for tuning into Maple Leaf's Worldwide Weather Report. We'll be checking on the weather all over the world with Tim Tiger. First, Canada. How's the weather?
It's snowy. It's snowy in Canada.
Thank you, Tim. Next, Mexico. Tim, how's the weather?
It's sunny. It's sunny in Mexico.
Thank you, Tim. Next, England. Tim, how's the weather?
It's foggy. It's foggy in England.
Thank you, Tim. Next, France. Tim, how's the weather?
It's rainy. It's rainy in France.
Thank you, Tim. Next, Russia. Tim, how's the weather?
It's cold. It's cold in Russia.
Thank you, Tim. Next, Australia. Tim, how's the weather?
Hold on. I'm coming. It's hot. It's hot in Australia.
Are you okay, Tim?
I'm good, Marty. What's next?
Next is Japan.
Japan? All right.
Next is Japan. Tim, how's the weather in Japan? Tim?
I'm coming.
Tim?
Oh, I'm on my way. Oh, I'm almost there. It's cloudy. It's cloudy in Japan.
Thank you, Tim.
Oh,
Next is Mars.
Mars?
Yes, Mars.
No, Marty. I quit.
The weather is. The season is.
Yay!
Please click and subscribe. D as in donut. D as in dog. D as in dolphin. D as in dollar. D as in diamond. D as in duck. D as in dice. D as in deer. It's the letter D. It's the letter D. It's the letter D. It's the letter D. D as in dragon. D as in drum. D as in dinosaur. D as in door. D as in donkey. D as in doll. D as in domino. D as in dish. It's the letter D. 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 It's the letter D.
Donut. Dog. Dragon. Drum. Dinosaur. Door. All done.